Hello future AI enthusiasts. Are you ready to discover how the latest AI technology, AutoGPT, can help you make serious money? In today's video, we're unveiling the latest sensation in artificial intelligence, AutoGPT. Yes, you heard right, this incredible mind-blowing AI tool is GPT on steroids. Get ready to explore its groundbreaking features, how it's changing the game for various industries, and see some amazing real-life examples. We'll also reveal the top ways you can use its capabilities to generate income, and if you're interested in using the power of AI to boost your earnings, you definitely don't want to miss this. So, stay tuned. AutoGPT is an open-source Python application that's taking the AI world by storm. It's built on OpenAI's GPT-4 technology, which is a game-changer in language models. So, what's so special about AutoGPT? Let's find out. AutoGPT boasts a variety of impressive features, such as self-prompting capabilities that allow it to generate ideas autonomously. It has internet access, built on advanced GPT-4 model that makes it more powerful compared to earlier versions. Integration with GPT 3.5 and DALL-E for powerful text and image generation. It even has long-term and short-term memory management. And if you haven't got it yet, it operates automatically while you're doing nothing. Now, let's see how it stacks up against ChatGPT. AutoGPT and ChatGPT have their similarities, but what sets AutoGPT apart is its greater level of autonomy. Instead of needing constant interaction like ChatGPT, AutoGPT can self-prompt and generate its own ideas, making it more powerful and independent. Another major difference is that AutoGPT uses the more advanced GPT-4 technology, allowing it to handle even more complex tasks and provide better responses. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, is an AI that can understand and learn any intellectual task a human can. AutoGPT is a step towards achieving AGI with its autonomous capabilities and the ability to adapt and learn from human input. As AutoGPT's capabilities expand, it's essential to address the ethical aspects and social impact. We'll look at three main areas: keeping personal information safe, how AI could change jobs, and making sure everyone has equal access to AI technology. It's crucial to find the right balance for a responsible AI future. As we see AI technology continue to advance, it's essential to consider how these innovations can be applied in real-life situations. Let's have a look at some fascinating real-life examples of AutoGPT in action. Garrett Scott created the do-anything machine that in fact completes a to-do list by itself. Yes, you heard right. For every task you write, AutoGPT spawns a GPT-4 agent which then completes the task for you. Pretty amazing. AutoGPT is now able to write its own code. It takes advantage of GPT-4 and then executes Python scripts. This allows it to debug, develop, and self-improve. I think we're close to AGI already. Next we have Mo on Twitter, which created a personal investment analyst designed to autonomously gather and analyze market data for himself. The investment analyst machine then outsources all its tasks to other AI agents, which gets all the work done. And again, all automatically. And lastly, Sully on Twitter asked AutoGPT to build a website using React and Tailwind CSS, and it succeeded within 3 minutes, all by itself. So, AutoGPT does have the potential to revolutionize various industries, such as software development, generate test cases, and debug code. Market research, carry out research autonomously. Business innovation, create new ideas and strategies. Content creation, autonomously write articles, scripts, or marketing copy. Healthcare, assist with medical research or diagnostics. In education, create personalized learning experiences and tutoring. With so many potential applications, it's clear that AutoGPT could have a significant impact on various industries. But what does this mean for the future of AI? Let's dive into the possible implications and developments. AutoGPT's advancements could shape the future of AI in several ways. It can push the boundaries of AI and AGI research. It can influence the development of new GPT models. And it can transform how businesses and industries utilize AI. However, AutoGPT isn't without its challenges and limitations. Based on users' feedback, it is reported complex installation. Setting up AutoGPT is more tricky than using ChatGPT, which could be a barrier for some users. It is also an experimental tool. AutoGPT may not be as polished or reliable as more established AI tools like ChatGPT. Developers and users must work together to address these challenges and limitations to unlock AutoGPT's full potential. If you're interested in trying AutoGPT for yourself, here are some tips to get started. Familiarize yourself with Python 3.8, Dockerfile, and JavaScript. Acquire the necessary API keys, OpenAI API key, Pinecone API key, and 11 Labs key. Follow the installation instructions from the official GitHub post. You can find a link in our description below. Now, let's dive into how you can use AutoGPT's capabilities to make some money. Here are 5 top ways to capitalize on AutoGPT's technology. Content creation services offer writing services for articles, blog posts, or social media content. Affiliate marketing create engaging product reviews or articles that promote affiliate products. Digital marketing help businesses optimize marketing campaigns with keyword research, ad copywriting, and content strategy development. E-commerce generate compelling product descriptions, email marketing copy, and social media content for your online store. Online courses develop personalized learning materials with AutoGPT's unique educational content creation capabilities. Experiment and explore to find the best ways to take advantage of this groundbreaking AI tool in your effort to make some money. AutoGPT is an exciting step towards the future of AI and AGI. Its autonomous capabilities, integration with powerful models like GPT-4, and potential applications across industries make it a hot topic. While it has its limitations, the continuous development of AI technology promises even more innovation in the coming years. So, what do you think about AutoGPT and its potential to reshape the AI landscape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And with that, we've covered the exciting world of AutoGPT. Thanks for watching this deep dive in the future of AI. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. See you in the next one.